Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this question because I get it all the time. Why are my Facebook ads not working? Why? My name is Stephanie Obi. I'm the author of the book, Knowledge is the New Gold. And I'm going to answer your question today. A lot of people tell me, okay, Stephanie, I ran Facebook ads, I spent money, and after I spent all that money, I didn't even get one sale. Not one sale. It's just as if I threw my money away. I wasted my money. So yes, I understand your pain. I feel it. I know how upsetting it is. Like, you could have used that money to just go and buy shawarma and eating it. Like, you could have used that money for different things, but you spent money on ads and it didn't work. So, but first things first, let's think about it, all right? You expect somebody who does not know you, has never heard about you, to just see your posts, open their wallet, bring out their ATM card, and pay for what you're selling. Do you do it? Do you see people's ads scrolling through Instagram and you just say, let me pay for it? And you just pay? Most likely, you don't. What you do is that you see something you like, you look at the person who is selling it, you go to their page, you scroll through to try and see whether the person is a scam or original. You're looking for testimonials, you're looking to see whether the person is legit, if they have people following them, commenting, talking about how they deliver their work. That's what you're looking at, because the first thing that comes to your mind when you see something you like is that, is this real? That's the same way people are looking at you and saying, is this real? So if you're doing ads and nobody's paying for it, don't take it personal. The real enemy are all those scammers who scam people regularly. You'll be hearing stories of people who met merchants or entrepreneurs online, paid for their products and never got it, never heard anything about them. In fact, you will hear about how the person changed their handle, the person blocked them. There's so many horror stories. So when people see your ad, they're also afraid that it might be a scam. All right, so when you do Facebook ads, the first thing you should do is not to sell, but to try to build trust. Try to get people to know that you are a legit business. Try to get people to say, this person, I trust her, I trust him, and I can do business with him. And so what I find that is very effective for me is that when I run Facebook ads, I don't say buy. I say, here's a free guide, here's a free gift. I give them things. I give people things. And when I give, and I'm always giving free content, free knowledge, free information, I give to a point where when I now say I want to sell, nobody's saying, who is this person from nowhere? Is she a scam? Is she a this? Is she is that? Because people see me online consistently giving out content. So and when I give out the content, I don't just say take this content. What I do is that I'll tell you, enter your name and email address so that I can give you the content. When you give me your name and email address, I'm going to keep on sending you more free content. I'll keep sending you more free content, and that way I start to build a relationship with people, and people begin to trust me that I'm a legit business. I'm here to stay, and I actually know my onions. So it's a longer way to think about it. Like, it's like, oh no, I don't want this, I want to do it sharp. But look, business is a going concern. When you start building your business, it's not all your customers that will buy from you today. Some will buy tomorrow, some will buy next month, some will buy next year, some will buy 2 years from now. So all the work that you're doing, it will still count. It will still matter. It won't be as if, oh, I did this ad, I got all these people and nothing happened. I didn't get any sales. All the time, people will come and buy from me. They tell me, oh, I've been following you for 2 years. I'm following you for 3 years. So people have like different periods that it takes them to be ready to buy from you. And that one is not your business. Your own is just to be doing your own work. It's just to be consistently giving out free content, consistently growing the list of people who are hearing from you consistently. And eventually, when you say buy, because you have built trust, because they know you, because they probably like you, because they want the results that you're promising that you can offer, because they trust that you can help them to get that result, they will then buy from you. So do you see how it works? So you just use Facebook ads to attract a new audience, and then you use Facebook ads to get them to subscribe to your database so they can keep communicating with them, keep talking to them, keep building a relationship, and that way they won't look at you as one scammer from the internet. They will look at you as a friend who they can do business with and who they trust to deliver on the job. Number 2 mistake I see a lot of people make with their Facebook ads is that their ad is all about them. Me, 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 me. And when I say me, I mean you or your product. You're talking about how great you are. You're talking about how great your product is. You're talking about me, 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 me. Look, we are all selfish. Nobody cares about you. People care about themselves. And so if you want to appeal to people, instead of saying, buy my online course, you can say, do you want to solve this problem? Because people actually care about their problems. People are looking for solutions to their own issues, not you. No matter how fine your face is, no matter how lovely your voice is, no matter how accomplished you are, no matter the number of achievements that you have, people care about their own issues. And so when you're doing an ad, it should always be about them. It should always be about them. It should always be about the people you're trying to reach. Always. 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 I'm emphasizing this thing because I see this mistake a lot of times from well-meaning people. You want to show that you are an expert. You want to show that you know your honors. You want to show that you are credible. And so you get into this thing of showing that you know. Instead of showing that you know, focus on showing that you understand your client's problem and you can solve it for them. And one way to show that you understand your client's problem, it's in what you write, it's in your copy, it's in the way you describe the problem they are going through and how you say that you have a solution that can help them. That is what everybody is concerned about. So when I hear that the Facebook ad might not have worked, if I look at that Facebook ad, it might be that the copy was not speaking to the problems that the ideal clients had. Number 3, your Facebook ad might not have worked because somebody saw it and then forgot. And I'm sure you must have heard this thing that it takes people need to see your ad about 20, so some people say 21 times, some people say 7 times before they make a buying decision. But it's true, because it's not about you. They have other issues. They're thinking about house rents, thinking about food they're going to go and cook, thinking about traffic, thinking about their children, thinking about school fees, thinking about what somebody said to them, thinking about what their boss did to them, thinking about what's going to happen in the house. Like, everybody's thinking about stuff. And so even though they saw your post and they need you, but at that moment, their brain cannot process it. So what you need to do is to run Facebook ads targeting people who have seen you the first time. And look, this is just psychology, because every marketing medium does this. So when I used to work in the multinational at the time, and I was in marketing department, we used to have these campaigns. When you're doing a campaign, design a 360 campaign. So there'll be billboards with the same message. There'll be TV ads with the same message. There'll be radio ads with the same message. There'll be social media ads with the same message. There'll be experiential, like all these pop-up events or activations with the same message. So what it means is that you, a consumer, you a customer, you're going to work. On the radio, you will hear their jingle. When you look up on the road, you will see their billboard. When you go to the stores, you will see a gondola or you will see that they are doing a promotion in this favorite store that you like to go to. When you go to the mall to rest on a Saturday or on a Friday evening, you will see that are doing an activation. There are some people doing some things, dancing or talking about this new thing that they're doing. You'll just be seeing them everywhere, and they're doing that because they know that you need to see them everywhere, so that when you now get to the store, you'll be like, I've been seeing these people everywhere, let me try it. So that's how it works. So in the same thing with Facebook ads, when you do ads, you can't just do an ad once, but you can, when you do an ad, you should retarget the people you're doing the ad to. So Facebook ads has made this retargeting thing so easy. When they go to WhatsApp, they will see you there. When they open an app, maybe Truecaller or Regram, they will see you there. When they go to Instagram, they will see you there. That Facebook will just keep showing them these same people your ad over and over and over and over again. You know what is happening? It's registering you in their minds. It's registering you in their mind. So if they forgot, they will come back and they will do what you said that you want them to do, whatever you're promoting. So it helps you to stay top of mind in the minds of your customer without you doing so much work. All you've done is to say you have just given them the instruction, set your budget, and then Facebook ads starts working for you. When people see you over and over again, they're more likely to start knowing you, to start paying attention to what you're doing. If you're giving free content, they'll start consuming your free content and start paying a bit more attention. And if you're solving their problems small, they'll start liking you. And eventually when you say buy, they will buy. Another way that I use retargeting is that sometimes when I'm now in selling mode, when I'm actually selling a product, if you get on my sales page and you do not buy, my ads will keep following you everywhere. They'll keep following you everywhere, so that if you forgot, you remember that you have to come back and buy that thing. And it helps me to now sell. So I don't see Facebook ads as this magic thing that I will just throw $5 and I will get $100. I don't see it as a magic ball. I see it as part of my marketing process, and it might come to fruition within 3 months, it might come to fruition within 6 months, it might come to fruition within 1 year, but it's something that I'm constantly doing in my business to grow my business overall. And that's like the mindset shift I want you to make. You don't start doing Facebook ads when you want sales tomorrow, because that's not how it happens. Plan, set your targets, plan, and start doing the ads that will help you to achieve the numbers you need to hit in your business. So I hope that this has helped. And I think this is a very unconventional way to think of Facebook ads, because that's not what you're probably used to, but this is a proven system that has worked for me. I shared some of my time-tested secrets that have worked for me concerning Facebook ads in a guide. If you click on the link below, just below this video, you will see a place where you can go and sign up for it. When you get to that page, enter your name and email address, and I will send it directly to your inbox. Facebook ads can work wonders for you, but you need to know how to use it well. If you know anybody who needs to watch this video, if anybody has complained to you about how they do Facebook ads and it not work, please send them the link to this video. They will thank you for it, and to help them to stop wasting their money. Because if you're just doing ads like that, you could have as well just gone to take that money and throw it inside a well, because that money you're just spending like that without being strategic is not doing anything for you. All right, so if this has been helpful, please tell me in the comments below. If you have any questions around Facebook ads, ask me so that I know I can create more videos for you. If you have a friend who needs to watch this too, please tell them about this video. So thank you so much for watching to the end. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe, hit on the like video if you like this video. Encourage me, like I'm putting out this content consistently. Encourage me. Subscribe and tell your friends about it. Share the word. I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next week, same time on this channel.